Hey guys, I had to move. If you wondered what happened to me, it's why I haven't been making too many videos lately. What happened was the other place where I lived, it was a family-owned place and my kids lived next door. It was kind of like a duplex and they decided to move, so I had to move too. So I moved into my grandparents' old house. So this is a pretty old house, but good memories here. It's like I remember, you know, coming here a lot of times as a kid, and so it's kind of a neat place. I've been trying to get a video up on this channel. I got a couple up on my other channel, but I've been having technical difficulties. The internet wouldn't work and my phone wouldn't work, and I had to do all the moving myself pretty much. So I've just been busy trying to get settled in. So hopefully soon I can get going and get a video up for this channel. Annie's here with me. People have asked if Annie came along. Of course Annie had to come along, so hopefully I'll get a cooking video up before too long. I'll give you guys a quick tour of the outside here. I got my gas grill set up. Haven't really got my other grills set up much, but this is what I see when I walk out the back door. Not a bad view. It's out in the country here. This place used to be a dairy ranch years ago, so brought along, moved even my tomato plants. I dug them up and transplanted them, and that actually worked pretty good. So some of these other plants here I transplanted too. Some rosemary, a rose bush, a pomegranate tree. Pomegranate tree, all the leaves fell off, but we'll see if any of it makes it. But anyway, I figured it's worth a try moving that stuff. I bought it and planted it at the other place, so I figured I'd just try moving it. Got my Weber kettle there. Like I said, haven't really got it set up. I usually put it up on some bricks to make it higher. It's my stuff that goes inside it. The slow and sear, the drip pan, the stainless steel grill grate from the S&S Grills. They sent me that stuff. Usually use that when I grill on the kettle. Have a veggie pod there. That was kind of a... Had to take all the dirt out to move that, but it moved pretty good. And actually I already got stuff replanted in there. I had a bunch of stuff that I had to pull out, but that's doing pretty good. A little Subaru Crosstrek there, and there's some of the other stuff I transplanted. Tomato plants, put in some squash plants. Those weren't in the ground yet, but I planted those when I got here. Here's what the outside of the house looks like. Like I said, it's an older house. Not really sure what year it was built, but people keep asking me and I'm not really sure. This is kind of a view of the countryside. Old red barn's part of the place. There's a tool shed down there. It's the old milking barn down there, and there's a garage down there. So like I said, getting used to the new place, and hopefully I will get some cooking videos up soon. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. There's Annie. I think she was sleeping. She likes to stay under the covers until like mid-morning when it's cold. But I know everybody likes to see Annie, so she's doing good.